Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Borrowell checks your credit score. Borrowell provides free access to your credit score and credit report. The key thing to understand is how they get this information and the type of inquiry they use. Borrowell is a Canadian company that partners with one of Canada's major credit bureaus, Equifax. When you sign up, Borrowell accesses your credit information directly from Equifax. The process involves what is known as a soft inquiry or soft pull. A soft inquiry is essentially a way to check your credit file that does not negatively impact your credit score. It's different from a hard inquiry, which happens when you apply for a new loan or credit card, and which can temporarily lower your score. Because Borrowell only performs a soft inquiry, checking your score and report with them is a safe way to monitor your credit health without any risk to your score. They provide you with your Equifax Risk Score 2.0, ERS 2.0, which is a score used by many lenders. This score is calculated by Equifax based on the information in your credit report, which includes your payment history, how much credit you are using, the length of your credit history, and the types of credit you have. Borrowell updates your score and report weekly, allowing you to track your progress and see the impact of your financial decisions over time. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.